Here's a quick little video just to show you how to remove your clutch master cylinder. There's only three things holding it on. There's a nut up here and a nut here that are, I should be pointing my camera down. And the compression fitting on the hydraulic line. Just in case I break this, I'm just going to show the routing here for this clutch master cylinder line. So I've cracked it loose with this 10mm flare nut wrench. The key to that is just to go back and forth with some penetrating lube right in here, and you'll get a little bit of movement and then a little bit more and a little bit more, and you keep going until it moves, and then even then you're going to swing quite a bit, and what's happening is the lube is working its way down into the fastener, and then you can get it, maybe a turn and switch your wrench angle and keep going, and it still might get stuck. And it did this to me almost the whole way out. Like, I kept having to turn it and then go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then turn it a bit more. So once the line is off and the two nuts, it's actually quite easy. You can just kind of push that out of the way and then rock that off of there, and it comes off like that. There's a seal that goes on the end here. I've got mine off because I was already playing with this. And I'm going to clean it up because mine is all rusty, and I'll probably just end up reusing it. But if you were replacing it, I mean, installation is the reverse. You would put it back in. You have to get that little bar that comes through the firewall there into the center hole right there, lined up. Then you would put it on, put the two nuts on, connect the hard line, and then you've got to bleed it.